Okay, welcome back to part 2 of Slide Master. Now, again kita akan go back to our view and then Slide Master. Again, now this one, let's say this is your main punya design, but let's say you want to have a different design or use different background ke atau apa. Okay, what we can do is let's go to this one. This one is basically the same one as that one. What we're going to do is going to right click and then we're going to duplicate this by doing this copy and then put down here and then paste. So sorry about that. So what we're going to do now is kita akan actually sebenarnya tukar masuk lagi gambar baru, background. Let's see now, insert picture. Okay, and let's say we're going to use this one more time. Okay, why we can't edit it, because our main picture is here. That's why I cannot click on this logo or whatever. So this one you have to buat semula lah. So again, this time we're going to do it this way, and then I'm going to send it to back. Now this time I want it to be a different color now. So let's say I want to do something like this. Okay, my fill now I want it in black, and then my transparency about maybe 50%. Then send to back. Okay, oops, sorry. And then this one I will change it to white color. White. Then this one will be white. Thing is my pictures belum lagi, so I have to send to back one more time. Okay, so now you can see that my picture is okay. Last but not least, we have to copy the logo, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and then that's pretty much about it lah. Send to back one time, send to backward, yeah, so that your title should be here. So once this is done, let's go to the Slide Master one more time and then close. Notice that sekarang ialah apa? Hitam and putih kan. So what I can do is I can go to new slide, go to layout. Okay, you see, notice that this is the original one and then this is the other custom one we baru buat tadi. So you can click on that one and see our slide design too. Okay, but let's say I want to do something extra. Okay, now this one is, I remember the text is still white kan, it's white compared to the original design. Okay, now we go to view one more time and then Slide Master. Let's say I want this one sebenarnya to buat animation. Can I do that? Yes. Okay, you can actually buat an animation, and then because this one is dalam already, let's make it spin lah. Okay, so once that is done, we can actually go to custom animation. Again, we have to change this to with previous, and then one more time effect option, then our timing here. Okay, you can actually buat dia repeat, so until the end of slide. So maksudnya dia akan run this thing, okay, is going to stop when you go to the end of slide. So once this is done, close. So I'm going to run it. Notice that tidak jalan sekarang, the second slide pun tidak jalan, but when we go to the third design, dia akan pusing macam itulah until the end of the slides. So basically this Slide Master here is to help you save time to design your slide sebenarnya, especially if you have a logo, you have to put every single page, or you want to have a design whereby you tidak perlu go and copy and paste or duplicate and then change all that lah. So this is how you can save time with Slide Master. I'll see you in a